Ćao svima, danas ćemo da igramo epizodu 2.
Make sure to keep your radio locked on Radio Los Santos where we play the real shit, the local flavor, that West Coast heat, baby. Check it out. Y'all ready for this? I want to tell you 3 letters that I love. D-O-C. Check it out.
Samo vozila je prvo. Idemo. Danas ćemo samo Evo ga, to je samo nauka. Ovdje sama nauka. Druga lokacija je polovna. Polovna auto. Idemo sad na polovno vozilo. Polovno vozila su tu blizu. Ovdje su polovna automobila. Idemo pred salon motora. Idemo salon motora je ovdje. Ovdje je polovni vozima. Ovdje su polovni motori sa tamo aviona. Ovdje svi
I'm always playing the newest cuts fresh from the street. I always get them first, nobody before me. Trust me, I know what's hot and what's gonna be hot on the street.
Ovdje je salon aviona.
It's a career that lasts a lifetime. A career where you're always on the winning team. Put your skills to work in the military.
I was on the streets in a gang shooting people and running drugs. Now I'm making something of myself. I kill people and run drugs for the CIA.
In this job, you not only help yourself, you help your country. Only in the military would a teenager be given responsibilities like driving a nuclear submarine, maneuvering a tank, or dropping high ordnance explosives. Make a change for yourself in the military.
I was in college constantly getting into pointless fights I didn't understand about nebulous concepts and belief systems. I got tired of arguing about what's right, so I dropped out of college and joined up. Now I know I'm right. In the military.
Learn confidence.
I was having fantasies about stabbing people.
The
Now, my country.
Live the military life. Positions are unacceptable. unexpectedly vacant every day. In fact, I'm about to give up my well-paid job as a voiceover actor in order to sign up and be shouted at by a lot of sexually confused skinheads. I want excitement, and what could be more exciting than shitting yourself while getting shot at in the jungle? Certainly beats sitting in this booth all day. Be number one. Turn your life around in the military.
Tek kada budem blizu, ja ću da... Ne. Idemo. Sad samo da stignem.
All with the music,
Znači,
only on Radio Los Santos, the official home of the drive-by and true home of gangster rap.
Da, morat ćemo brzo stignem. Sad je ovo moj. Malo da stignem, brzo ćemo. Neki brzo stići. Brus. Brzo stići do polovnog aviona. Wrong.
Keep it locked and loaded, right where it's at. Radio Los Santos. Don't hit that dial, fool. Not when I'm about to play a record like this one. It's only on Radio Los Santos. NWA, always in the sun.
Kada krećemo klip. Zato sam polovni izgledam, sad idemo samo po... O da. Samo da otkle. Ovo će valjda brzo dođem. Dotle. Mislim, ja mislim kako je. Brzo ćemo naći salon plovila. Neki broj. To samo
shout out to all the bitches out there. Yo, you can get the pick up and suck your dick up to your hiccup. You know what I'm saying? Yo, cause I'm a nigga for life and I really don't give a fuck. I'm going for mine every time I see a fucking softy. When it's coffee, nigga like that, best to back up off me. Yo, cause these are the days and the times of the real niggas.
Can you remortgage the house?
Every day is Mother's Day. San Andreas Telephone for those conversations.
What a nigga.
We gon' crack you over the head with some more hot music. Enjoy.
Tracking y'all, this is Be Real, the Buddha Master from Cypress Hill, blazing it in the cup with my man Julio G, 24/7 420, Radio Los Santos.
Radio Los Santos is Julio G. I suggest everybody stay indoors today because the small people are telling me that they're giving a big warning out to everybody. Real low quality air going down right now, so y'all make sure to stay in the house, man. It's that kind of weather that makes you just cough and vomit, that crazy smog. So just stay in the house, turn your radio on. We're gonna take care of you here, Radio Los Santos.
You call us what you will. Assassins, you truly don't care. It's in my blood to be an Aztec boy. Go to any extreme and hold the barriers. Chicago, and I'm brown and proud. Why does Chicago see get down right now in the dirt? What's the matter? You afraid you gonna get hurt? I'm with my homeboys, my ties, my camaradas, kicking back on me, gaga y mami, no me get nada. This what you gonna say, like I Capone. I throw a sword, never try to sweat me. Some of you won't know what's happening. It's not really taking away. This is for the last. This is for the last. This is for the last. I'm speaking is known as God. Scared local, you so alive. Do no silence, nothing you bring is hollow, but hitting the head too many times with a bottle. Still you're trying to act cool, but you should know you're so cool that I'ma call you a guru. You just a baby, you can't get none ever. You're a lever. Your own body was a back door. They just look at your ass and call you a guru. So I look and I laugh and say, ¿Qué pasa? This is for the last. And when I go out, I do look at the bottles when I know that I'm strapped. Every time that I pack my piece, I feel it out quick, all the nonsense will cease. Just like the song when you continue to pull it, got my finger on the trigger. I'm not afraid to pull it. If it gets out of hand, I know some mafiosos gonna pull out quick. That's my muscle. Sitting there wondering what's happening in Pasa. This is for the last. This is for the last.
Bicicleta. Todo.